In this video, I'm going to show you how to get chocolate crops and chocolate sprinkler in Grow a Garden Roblox. So this is actually a part of the Easter event, and yeah, I'm gonna show you exactly how to get it. Now, the first thing you need is you will need 30 kilograms of golden crops. So just basically start gathering. I recommend placing down a lot of these crops that are so basic, like strawberries, blueberries, and even carrots, stuff like that, and you'll be able to get a lot of these golden crops quite quickly. So after you actually do that, after you get enough golden crops, you want to head over here to this middle shop over here, which is called the Easter shop, and you want to talk to the Easter lady. Now, as I said, you will need 30 kilograms of golden crops to sell to her. Now, once you do that, you'll get the access to this shop over here, which is the Easter shop. And in here, as you can see, you can have different chocolate crops. Now, right now over here, so in this current time, the chocolate carrot seed is available, and this is how you can basically get the chocolate crops. You simply click on here, you can buy it, and then you can plant it, and you'll be able to get it. Now, the chocolate sprinkler is also available in here. It costs 500,000 in-game currency, as you can see, and it will basically cover all plants in chocolate for 1 minute. So you can also get this as well inside this Easter shop over here. If it's not showing for you once you're doing that, just wait for the Easter shop to refresh, and then you'll be good to go. Now let me actually show you how this chocolate carrot seed looks like. So I only have the chocolate one right now. I can't show you any other ones because I have to wait for the shop to reset, but of course once it will, you'll be able to get different ones as well. Now, just a quick tip, if you want to get this quickly, if you want to get 30 kilograms of golden seeds quickly, make sure you head over to the gear shop over here. So this is this green stand over here, and you want to talk to this dude, which is basically this shopkeeper over here. And you want to get either this advanced sprinkler, which will increase the growth speed and mutation chances for 5 minutes, because golden crops are a mutation, so it's quite rare, and if you use this sprinkler, you will get a lot more of these golden crops, so you'll be able to unlock the Easter shop quickly. Now we can also use this one over here, which will also increase the fruit size, and therefore you'll need less crops to be able to fulfill those 30 kilos. Now, let me get back to my garden over here. There we go. And let me actually find the seed I just bought. So let's just get in here, seed, there we go, chocolate carrot seed. Now let me put this down here, and then there we go, I have it in my hand. Let me plant it here for you so you can see what this looks like. It grows pretty quickly, just like a normal carrot. However, it's just a bit longer, so you'll have to wait a bit, and then it will grow up, and you'll be able to basically sell it and get it. So that's how you can get chocolate crops and chocolate sprinkler in Grow a Garden. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.